Greetings and welcome to Utique Bridal. In this video, I'm going to share my experience of using his and hers address labels and the challenges I faced as well as the solution I came up with. I guess we can call this my first product review. This is my experience of using his and hers gold foil address labels. Instead of using it as an address label, I placed it on the party favor bags for my in-laws' 60th wedding anniversary. So let's get started. I really like the gold foil effect because I thought it would give it an elegant touch. So when I got home, I downloaded the template on the Hobby Lobby website. However, the alignment was off and I discovered the label sheet was not your standard size paper. So I went online to research and see if there was a correct template out there, and ended up reading reviews and finding out that others were experiencing the same challenge. Since there was no solution yet and I really liked these gold foil labels, I ended up spending some time playing with the alignment and basically reconfiguring the whole document. So I finally got it centered and aligned and it looked great. I am hoping it would help someone else out, so here's the link to where you can find my template. And I will also link it in the description box below. Here are some tips I recommend. First, trim down a sample paper to the size of the label sheet. Next, print out a sample of your labels and then lay it on top of the label sheet. Check to see if it is centered and everything is aligned. If it looks good, start printing. Also, a side note, make sure to remove the labels carefully because it does not come off very easily. However, I was able to work with it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful or if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it in the description box below, and I will try my best to help in any way. Well, I hope you get inspired to create something extraordinary out of the ordinary.